All right, so what kind of soap is this?
It's just a lanolin hand cream.
Lanolin hand cream.
Yeah.
And that serves as a nice lubricant.
Yeah, and then when it dries out, it's like lube.
Yeah, even better.
But as soon as you, as soon as you move it, it just breaks loose. You know?
Yeah.
So the corners are the most important because it's hard to make that transition. So you want to put a lot of
lube
in the corners. Yeah, it makes your hands smell good.
and softens them up.
Yes.
So it's just a nylon, twiny string.
Yeah, it's not real twiny. It's more of the silky smooth style.
Silky.
Yeah.
Smooth, soft, and silky.
Yeah, but the key thing is just so it
slides.
It just slides, yeah. I want to put in the bottom first and then start pulling the bottom to the top.
Okay.
So
I can hold an end.
Yeah,
if you want.
Yeah, let's put it in.
And that, wait, hold on. That's the top.
Yep.
You said the bottom first.
We will start with the bottom.
Oh, so we put it in through the top. Yep. I gotcha.
Get it all the way in.
Come on up. You're right in the corner. Doesn't like the corner. Come on.
Nope.
I'll wait for you to come around and then grab that part.
Is it in?
Yeah, it's in there. It's just not in at the corner. Right there. There it is. Okay.
And then these you can actually
overlap
them a little bit just to get it started. Most of the time the bottom will set in on its own.
And then it's pulling it around the perimeter.
And you don't really even need it, but there we go. Okay, so now one more layer.
All right, so once you lay in the rope, you put on another layer of hand cream. Lanolin. Got these all nice and glued down, so it shouldn't cause any problems.
Alright, so what we'll do is I'll grab this side, and grab that side. And so the main thing is now,
Here, I'll keep one string. You keep the other one.
let's turn around to the correct one.
Oh, like that. Got it.
Get up this way. So if we just hold that in, and let me get the string. Yeah, just regular hold it.
Got it.
Let me get this in.
Corner?
Yeah, stick the corner.
I've got my corner worked in.
Probably not.
It's hard to tell, actually. To be quite honest with you. It is hard to tell.
I can tell from the inside. Okay, come on over this side.
Okay. What am I trying to do?
You're going to push that way on the window.
Okay.
There we go, there we go. Just hard pressure.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm using the hook tool
try and get that lip underneath to get it started.
Yep.
There we go. That actually clicked.
Okay. Not yet, hold on. See if it can go this way more.
Okay.
Now we're in a spot to actually start.
So because you already got that lip started, it should just peel it around it and make sure. Which way? Okay.
There we go. Okay, this is the hardest one right now. I'm just going in a circular fashion, trying to get that
Around the corner.
around the corner. Let's try this one first. See if we can push down more on this one.
Okay. Nope.
Okay.
That's as far. It's seated.
All right.
You probably got to fight around the headliner a little too. All right. Okay, we got past the corner, and as you can see, the string is doing what it's supposed to do. So, no, I'm just talking to the camera. So downward pressure, and he's working the string. And that circular
Circular motion.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to film it from this side.
Oh, I can see it. I can see you doing it.
All right, no, just
I'm keeping pressure down and...
yeah. We're good in the down department right now.
Okay.
Just slight pressure straight down the window.
Got it.
Ease up a little bit.
I think under its own natural pressure is going to start to pull it in.
Yeah. Just sometimes I got a big gap and I don't want to pop out.
Yep.
It makes a world of difference. I was like under a magnifying glass, dude. I was ready to pass out.
I figured it's getting hot. Just the sun.
Yeah. Going around the corner right now.
Okay.
So just slight pressure right there.
Yeah. And you can see it peeling its way in.
A little bit more pressure.
Got it.
I'm trying to keep the headliner in place right now as I'm coming around the corner. But it wants to pull the headliner out. But I think we can tuck it back in after. Let's try to come around this corner. And you want to go in a circular motion because you don't want to tear the rubber.
Yeah.
it will pull if you go straight.
But you can bind it.
You can bind it and tear it. So a little bit, just opening up a little bit. See, like right there, I'm tied up. So I want to see if I can. I'm really tight now for some reason.
That's just because it's new rubber.
Yeah.
Well, it's getting there. Got about another foot. Inches.
Literally a millimeter at a time right now.
Yep. Get your hook. There it is. Pop right in. And it went down. Yep. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install a 69 sports roof Mach 1 rear window.